The event will gather industry leaders, investors, miners, joilers, regulators, and government agencies from across Africa and beyond, under the theme Accelerating Collaboration for Sustainable Gold and Gemstone Development in Africa. The 5-day summit will feature high-level dialogues, policy exchanges, investment matchmaking, and exhibition of precious stones, mining equipment, and artisanal crafts. The conference aims to position Nigeria as a key player in the global precious minerals sector, with emphasis on artisanal and women miners, sustainable mining practices, and value addition. Key activities include expert panel sessions, investment pitches, master classes on gem grading and jewelry design, and a jewelry making competition. The event will conclude with a gala dinner, networking sessions, and a fashion show showcasing Nigeria's gemstone and jewelry industry. The Nigerian Upstream Petroleum Regulatory Commission announced that Nigeria is on course to increase crude oil production to 2.5 million barrels per day by 2026. The strategy includes unlocking deep water potentials, reviving dormant fields, and accelerating approvals for new projects. The Commission also completed a case-by-case review of marginal field licenses due for renewal, applying merit-based technical assessment in accordance with the Petroleum Industry Act. The result have been submitted to the Minister of Petroleum for approval. Despite global growth in low-carbon energy investment, hydrocarbons are expected to remain central to energy demand, particularly in Africa and Asia. The Commission emphasized transparent evaluation processes for license renewals to support incremental production and sector resilience. The Debt Management Office (DMO) announced the auction of 200 billion in savings bonds, including a reopening of the June 2032 bond with a 17.95% coupon rate and a new 5-year bond maturing in August 2030. The auction is scheduled for Monday with settlement on Wednesday. The minimum subscription is 5,000 with increment of 1,000 and a maximum of 50 million. Interest payments will be made semi-annually. Earlier bond offerings in August 2025 included 2- and 3-year bonds with interest rates up to 15.401% per annum. Recent auction results show strong investor appetite for longer-term bonds, with significant allocation for the June 2032 and April 2029 bonds. Benefit of investing in federal government bonds includes guaranteed returns if held to maturity, tax-free interest income, and the ability to use bonds as loan collateral. The federal government plans to offset the 2.7 trillion legacy debt owed to gas companies by using royalty payments. The Nigerian Upstream Petroleum Regulatory Commission is working with stakeholders to implement this arrangement, which allows gas producers to settle debt through royalty credit payable to the government. The move addresses a standing payment for gas supplied to power plants, which led to supply disruption earlier in 2024. Industry representatives welcomed the plan, but emphasized the need for timely implementation. The legacy debt arose partly due to non-payments by the government and power generation companies. The Minister of State for Petroleum Resources highlighted ongoing reforms and infrastructure development aimed at strengthening Nigeria's gas sector and advancing energy security and industrialization. And that is the end of the business news segment for tonight. I am Esohe Osemeki, reporting for BTV News.